Everybody. Now I am conducting class 7 geography class. Today we will start a new topic, that is chapter number 8, India climate. I will send you the pic from my book and you will learn that. So first I want to discuss that what is the importance. As a last year we have learned about weather and climate. We have that concept, what is weather, what is climate. Still I want to revise once. What is weather? Weather means the regular or daily basis condition of the atmospheric elements such as temperature, pressure, moisture, wind, etc. And what is climate? The average weather condition at least for 30 to 35 years of an area. So Indian climate, very important topic. What is the importance of climate? Definitely a lot, because the climate can determine the lifestyle of an area. So India is a highly populated area, and we know that last topic we have learned the physiographic divisions of India. That physiographic divisions determines the Indian climate a lot, because according to the physiographic situation we can experience various types of climatic changes. Like diversity of climate in India, we can see that northern mountain, it is related with the physiographic division. So northern mountain range, that means cool climate, definitely, because high altitude, low temperature. We have learned that if the height will increase, temperature will decrease. That means the northern to northeastern mountain range we can experience cold climate. Then we come to northern plain region. Plain region, that means this is the very near to the sea coast. Okay, so there we can get the soothing temperature, like West Bengal. Like in our Kolkata, we can see that hot summer, cold winter. We also experience autumn. We can experience also spring, rainy season. All the seasons we can get. Then we are getting the next division, like the coastal region. Coastal region is very near from sea, always exchange of land breeze and sea breeze, always exchange of hot wind and cold wind, and the soothing climate. Then we can discuss about the third desert, extreme climate, because we all know that sandy area means, what is the importance of the sandy region? In the summer daytime, easily absorb the heat, in the night time easily that also reflect the heat. Ultimately extreme climate, daytime extreme temperature, nighttime extreme cold temperature, fully opposite. Like that way India is diversified with various climatic region. In the southern area, like the peninsular India, generally that is very near from the polar equatorial region. So there you can experience almost the range of the temperature is almost static, and very hot temperature we can experience over there. So this is the main importance of the climate. Which are the factors? Like latitude. As the latitude will increase, temperature will decrease. Like 0 degree to 22.5 degree. Tropical area, India is a tropical country. So this area, sun ray, we are getting the almost direct sun ray. Ultimately what is happening? Huge temperature, okay? And that's why we are feeling very hot. As we will go to the next above the latitude, then we will see the temperature will generally decrease. Next point, like surrounding sea, very important thing. Just think, Delhi is an extreme climate. Why? Because surrounding no water body is there. But you can say, imagine about Kolkata. We also see that here we are not traveling, or we are not getting trouble from that extreme climate, because continuous exchange of land breeze and continuous exchange of sea breeze. These continuous exchange help us for getting this soothing climate. Next, relief feature. Yes, just I told you that northern mountain, that means above the altitude, there we are getting that cool climate. If you are just come to that third desert, you will see the extreme climate. Then again come to the northern plain, soothing climate. Then coastal region, okay, fine. Like that way relief improves or relief impacts a lot on the climate, and it's really works. Next point, altitude. As height will increase, temperature will decrease. So we can see that generally as a height like that, here now Kolkata, which temperature, if you will ask anybody who is staying in Darjeeling or Shimla, they are definitely they are experiencing much soothing climate than us. Winds and pressure. Wind flow is determines a lot. If the hot wind is blowing, why in the summertime we always it is prohibited to come after 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock, because the hot wind is blowing. This hot wind is named various name like Lu, somewhere it is named like Adi, many more name it is given. And these hot wind also impact the temperature a lot, because it will increase the temperature. Cold wind also the same thing. Like Fawn, there is a cold wind which is hot wind that is flowing in the European rocky mountainous region. When that Fawn wind is coming down, the ice starts to melt, because that Fawn is known as the snow eater. Okay, so that means it is a hot wind. The ice start to melt. Same thing is happening with the hot wind. Same thing is happening with the cold wind. That means wind blow is very important factor as a determination of climate. So today I just discuss up to this. Next day we will start to discuss many more things, and these many points I start to give you. Today I give you 3-page photography, and you will click the link. From there you will get that photos, and from there you will learn it, and learn carefully. Each word is very important, so learn carefully. Okay, stay tuned. Bye bye. And I just want to discuss that I am not getting many more copies. I want to get, so note down chapter 7 question answer. Send it to me at the dphd@gmail.com. Address like dear mom, and send it to me. Stay tuned. Bye bye and be healthy.